Hello everyone! Again, this is Teacher JM and welcome to Grade 3 Science Quarter 2 Reviewer with Answer Key. Disclaimer: the information provided by the presenter on this video is for general informational purposes only, to help pupils review for their quarterly examination or periodic test. All information is provided in good faith. However, we make no representation or warranty of any kind, express or implied, regarding the accuracy, adequacy, validity, reliability, availability, or completeness of this information. Thank you. Directions. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. What is the first step in a science experiment? A. Writing a conclusion. B. Measuring the results. C. Predicting what will happen. D. Observing what is happening. Number 2. What do we use to make educated guesses about what will happen in an experiment? A. Predicting. B. Measuring. C. Observing. D. Recording. Number 3. What tool do we use to measure the length of an object? A. Ruler. B. Scale. C. Stopwatch. D. Thermometer. Number 4. What is the purpose of making observations in a science experiment? A. To collect data. B. To prove a theory. C. To make predictions. D. To write a conclusion. Number 5. What do we call the process of using our senses to gather information? A. Predicting. B. Observing. C. Measuring. D. Experimenting. Number 6. If you predict that a plant will grow taller with more water, what should you measure to test your prediction? A. The color of the plant. B. The number of leaves. C. The height of the plant. D. The temperature of the room. Number 7. What unit do we use to measure temperature? A. Liters. B. Grams. C. Meters. D. Degrees Celsius. Number 8. Why is it important to record our measurements and observations? A. So we can forget them later. B. So we can change the results. C. So we can share them with others. D. So we can analyze the data and draw conclusions. Number 9. What is the difference between prediction and observation? A. A prediction is a guess and an observation is a fact. B. A prediction is a fact and an observation is a guess. C. A prediction is made before the experiment and an observation is made during the experiment. D. A prediction is made during the experiment and an observation is made before the experiment. Number 10. What scale do we use to estimate how much something will change or what will happen next? A. Predicting, B. Recording, C. Measuring, D. Observing. Number 11. What are the characteristics of living things? A. They can move, grow, and change. B. They are always big and heavy. C. They are made of rocks and minerals. D. They never change. Number 12. Which of the following is a living thing? A. Stone, B. Tree, C. Table, D. Chair. 13. Which of the following is non-living thing? A. A mango tree, B. A butterfly, C. A rock, D. A person. Number 14. How can you tell if something is living or non-living? A. By its color, B. By its size, C. By whether it can grow, change, or move on its own, D. By whether it is big or small. Number 15. What does it mean for a living thing to grow? A. It makes a loud noise. B. It stays the same forever. C. It moves from one place to another. D. It gets bigger and changes as it gets older. Number 16. How do living things respond to their environment? A. They ignore changes around them. B. They move away from changes. C. They react to changes like temperature, light, or sound. D. They stay the same no matter what. Number 17. What does it mean for living things to reproduce? A. They make new friends. B. They build new homes. C. They make babies or new plants like themselves. D. They change their color. Number 18. How do fish breathe underwater? A. Through their mouth. B. Through their fins. C. Through their gills. D. Through their tails. Number 19. What is the main job of birds' wings? A. To eat food. B. To fly in the air. C. To swim in water. D. To walk on the ground. Number 20. How do dogs use their legs? A. To fly. B. To swim. C. To climb trees. D. To walk, run, and jump. Number 21. How do rabbits use their legs? A. To fly. B. To hop. C. To swim. D. To climb trees. Number 22. What part of the plant makes food? A. Root. B. Stem. C. Leaf. D. Flower. Number 23. What is the main job of a plant's roots? A. To make flowers and fruits. B. To make food from sunlight. C. To protect the plant from insects. D. To absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Number 24. What is the role of plant's stem? A. To make seeds. B. To absorb sunlight. C. To make flowers colorful. D. To carry water and nutrients from roots to leaves. Number 25. How do leaves help a plant to get what it needs? A. Leaves store food into roots. B. Leaves absorb water directly from the air. C. Leaves protect the plant from animals. D. Leaves make food from sunlight, air, and water. Number 26. Why does a cactus have long roots? A. To get more sunlight. B. To find water underground. C. To hold fruits. D. To climb trees. Number 27. What is one thing that all living things need to breathe? A. Air. B. Food. C. Water. D. Shelter. Number 28. Why do living things need food? A. To make them sleep. B. To make them play all day. C. To make them stay in one place. D. To make them grow strong and healthy. Number 29. What do living things need to drink to stay alive? A. Milk. B. Soda. C. Juice. D. Water. Number 30. Why do living things need shelter? A. To fly in the air. B. To play outside. C. To swim in water. D. To sleep and stay safe from rain, sun, or danger. Number 31. What helps trees in the forest survive the heat? A. Thick bark. B. Big leaves. C. Shallow roots. D. Thin branches. Number 32. How do plants help people and animals? A. Plants eat animals. B. Plants make noise to scare animals. C. Plants take away water from animals. D. Plants give shade and make oxygen for people or animals to breathe. Number 33. How do bees help plants? A. Bees eat all the plant's food. B. Bees help plants make flowers. C. Bees hurt plants by biting them. D. Bees help plants make fruits by spreading pollen. Number 34. Why do animals and people depend on the environment? A. They want to live in cities only. B. They like to play outside all day. C. They need air, water, food, and shelter from the environment. D. They don't need the environment at all. Number 35. How do living things in the forest depend on each other? A. Trees eat birds. B. Animals hurt trees by cutting them. C. Birds nest in trees, eat fruits and insects, and trees give shelter, food, and oxygen. D. Plants and animals don't help each other at all. Number 36. Why do living things adapt to their environment? A. To survive. B. To move away. C. To hide. D. To rest. Number 37. Why is burning garbage not good for the environment? A. It produces clean air. B. It produces harmful smoke. C. It makes the soil fertile. D. It removes pollution. Number 38. What can we do to care for our environment? A. Throw garbage anywhere. B. Burn garbage. C. Plant trees. D. Cut trees. Number 39. Why is it important to protect forests and trees? A. So animals have less food to eat. B. So people can cut them down for wood. C. So people can build more houses in the forest. D. So animals have homes, air is clean, and soil doesn't wash away. Number 40. What can people do to help protect the environment? A. Plant trees and save water. B. Chase animals away from their homes. C. Use lots of water and electricity every day. D. Throw trash in rivers and cut down lots of trees. Let's now proceed in checking your answer. The correct answer is letter D. The correct answer is letter A. The correct answer is letter A. The correct answer is letter A. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter D. The correct answer is letter D. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter A. The correct answer is letter A. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter D. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter D. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter D. The correct answer is letter D. The correct answer is letter D. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter A. The correct answer is letter D. The correct answer is letter D. The correct answer is letter D. The correct answer is letter A. The correct answer is letter D. The correct answer is letter D. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter A. The correct answer is letter B. The correct answer is letter C. The correct answer is letter D. The correct answer is letter A. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Teacher JM, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. You can also support our YouTube channel by clicking like button, sharing this video, and putting a comment for the content that you want us to cover. Again, thank you and see you next video.